Tired of your WhatsApp campaigns looking stale and uninspired? Let's jump straight in and show you how incredibly easy it is to breathe new life into your Aisensy image templates. First, log into your Aisensy account. Navigate to the template section. On the left-hand sidebar, this is where all your existing templates are stored. Browse through your templates and select the one you want to update. Click on the template to open it in the editor. Inside the template editor, you'll see all the elements of your message. Locate the image you want to replace. It should be visually distinct within the template. Click directly on the image. This will usually bring up options to edit or replace the image. Look for a button labeled Replace Image, Change Image, or something similar. A window will pop up, allowing you to upload a new image. You can either upload directly from your computer or select an image from your existing media library. Within Aisensy, select the new image you want to use. Once the image is uploaded, you might need to adjust its size or position within the template to make it fit perfectly. Use the provided tools to resize and reposition the image until it looks just right. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. Click the Save button, typically found at the top or bottom of the editor. And that's it. Your image template is now updated with a fresh, engaging visual, ready to capture your audience's attention.